Mrs. Naseeb Khan had liver failure because of hepatitis B and hepatitis D co-infection, and her liver disease was worsening rapidly. And during that period, she got COVID infection. And after the COVID infection, she recovered from COVID chest injury, but her liver disease kept on worsening. And when she came to us, she was in a bad position with jaundice, water in her belly. Overall, she was very weak. And that is when we decided we should do the transplant as soon as possible. Her son was evaluated as a potential donor and he was found fit to donate part of the liver.
Assalamualaikum. Ben davaları olsun şu Kırgızistan'dan India'ya apamda Kırgızistan'da Sirius peşin degan diagnoz koyuşuldular da peresetka peşin kerak degenden donor bolup kelip oturam. Buda şunu şurada doktorlar dedim oldunda.
Once we stabilized Mrs. Naseeb Khan, we decided to perform the transplant. And during this period, we found out that because of the COVID, she had developed a tendency to form clots in her blood. So we had to be very careful in doing the transplant, because when we do the transplant, we join very small vessels and they can get a blood clot if there is any damage on the inner wall of the blood vessel. And also we started her on blood thinner as soon as the transplant was done. After the transplant, we monitored her using daily ultrasounds so that there is no blood clot forming anywhere in the body or around the new liver. With all precautions were done, she was given blood thinners, and overall she recovered really well. And now both of them are getting ready to go back to their home country.
Rashtarlar, Mrs. Hayat, Yaxshi razı olsun.